everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram story glitch. If your Instagram stories aren't loading, disappearing, or failing to post, follow these simple steps to get it working again. First, check your internet connection. A poor internet connection is often the reason why Instagram stories fail to load or post. Make sure you have a strong and stable connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. After switching, reopen Instagram and try uploading a story again to see if it works. Next, update Instagram. Sometimes outdated versions of Instagram can cause issues with stories. Head to the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Instagram, and ensure you are on the latest version. Once updated, restart the app and check if the stories feature is now working correctly. The next step is to clear the cache. If you are using an Android device, clearing the app cache can often fix various bugs. To do this, go to Settings, tap on Apps, select Instagram, then Storage, and finally tap Clear Cache. This won't delete your data, but will remove temporary files that may be causing the glitch. After clearing the cache, open Instagram again and try posting a story to see if the issue is resolved. Finally, reinstall the app. If all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram. Go to the Google Play Store or to the App Store, uninstall Instagram, and then reinstall it. This will refresh the app and potentially fix any deep-rooted bugs. Once reinstalled, log in and check if your stories are now functioning as expected. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any Instagram story glitch. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!